everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video. Today I'm back with toenails. I'm gonna do a strawberry inspired DIY pedicure at home. So I'm gonna start by trimming my toenails. I no longer want longer nails because I have ingrown toenails, and then I tend to sometimes I cannot even walk. Like those nails are getting inside my skin, so they hurt so bad. So I'm just gonna stick with shorter nails. So today's prep is different from the other prep videos that I did previously because I was filing like everything. So in this video I didn't file the base coat, so I just filed the previous polish and then just left out the base coat because my nails are very thin and then they break very easily. So I decided not to file the base coat and then just wipe it and then continue with the other set. So I don't know if it's a good idea or what, but just comment down below and tell me how you feel about this. And the reason behind this is because I'm doing content like every week, so I don't want to damage my my natural nails. So here I'm just removing the remaining dust that is stuck around my edges with acetone. And I like to start off with a base coat. It protects my nails and it helps the gel polish to adhere better on my nails. decided to go with this beautiful red for the whole set, and I applied 2 coats of this. And bear in mind, I was fully curing it for 60 seconds in between. So I decided to go with this shade of green because I have lots of green, and I thought this one will fit better, and I'm using a size 7mm liner brush for the design. decided to go with this yellow as well. I have lots of yellow, so I decided to go with this one for those yellow things and the strawberry. This is a hard gel that I got from Planet Nails, and I'm just gonna do those lines going one direction, and then I'm gonna cure. After curing for 60 seconds, I'm gonna do the crossing one, and then after I'm gonna cure again for 60 seconds. I'm gonna seal my masterpiece with this glossy top coat. And lastly, I'm gonna apply this cuticle oil I got from Signature on the cuticle area and around my edges. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, please subscribe, please, and don't forget to hit that like button that is looking like this, and turn on the notification bell on so that you won't miss any of my uploads. I'll see you again on the next video. Bye bye.